Here's how to fix missing emojis on your Android keyboard in seconds. First, open any app that uses keyboard like Chrome, for instance. Here, tap on the 4 squares icon in the top left corner of the keyboard. And then select Settings from the options. In here, tap on Preferences at the top. Find the emoji key and make sure it's turned on. Go back to the main settings page and scroll down just a bit. Next, tap on Emojis, Stickers, and GIFs. Under the Layout section, make sure both Emoji Fast Access Row and Emoji and Symbols keyboard are turned on. Once these options are enabled, the Emoji button should appear on your keyboard. You can easily switch between text and emoji keyboard layouts. If you're looking for the latest emojis, you'll need to update the Gboard app. For this, open the Google Play Store and search for Gboard. Once the Gboard page opens, tap Update if the option is available. Once the app is updated, relaunch the keyboard through any app and you should now have access to the newest emojis. And that's it.